let's write the informations. If you want to write a title here and a subtitle, we have a widget named style. This style has a title and also has subtitle. So you can write title and subtitle with one widget, with this style widget. As I don't want this yellow lines here, I'm pressing on the yellow line and pressing on yellow line and add const modifiers everywhere. That's yellow lines has gone. That's upload, and you can see A, this is title, and A, this is subtitle. Let's make these text better looking. For that, I am going to change its style, its text style. Now I am making the color of title colors black. After that, I am changing the size of the text with 17. I want to make that. I want to get an italic text. So font style, text style, not this one. Font style, point italic, and yes. Let's check, and you can see bigger and bold and italic text here. So let's change the font weight with 700. Font weight with 700. Now you can see that the bolder, more darker text here. After that, I want to change the style of the subtitle. So I want to do a copy paste. This one copy and paste and style escape again, but I want to change here. This is the name and this is Ömer Kalfa, and that's hotly load, and name and Ömer Kalfa has came to me. Let's put here double point, and let's change the color with green, and let's change the size of name, size of subtitle with 25. Don't want this subtitle, don't want my name italic, and I want that darker. It is bold. This is the darkest text you can do. So let's check how it is looking. Yes, that's better. If you want to put here a list mark, we have a feature in this style widget for that. This is leading feature. Leading. This means that with this feature you can put anything in this text. So I want to put here an icon. So I'm using icon widget and icon feature here, and icons radio check, but this is not necessary. So and okay. And yes, that's okay. That's okay right now. And yes, our radio check, our big point has came here. Let's put a line here. So if I want to put somewhere a line, I have a widget for that called divider, but not in this style. Divider widget just draw a line in with different styles. So divider widget has height, and the color of the line is I want an indigo color. And let's check that. And yes, our line has came, but I want to set its thickness with 2. Now it is more, it looks better right now, but I want some spaces at the beginning and at the end. So I must wrap this widget with padding. Let's check. And okay, it's better. That's better. And let's copy and paste that here. And let's check. This is better. This is the first part of our information. So let's copy and paste these ones here, here, here. And you are going to see lots of parts. Now just we are going to change the title and subtitle. Let's change first one, name, surname. After that I want here age and gender, as I am 35 writing here 35 and I am male. So let's check, and 35 and male. Let's write here state and country. I live in Burdur in Turkey. Let's check Burdur, Turkey, state, country, Burdur, Turkey. Let's change this one with job. And as I am a math teacher, typing here math teacher, but you can write student, and you can write grade here. And job math teacher. And okay, let's change here with school. I'm writing my school Stephanie Anatolian Imam Hatip High School. This is what where I am working. And okay, let's go on with social media. This is going to be a little bit different. We are going to build buttons. Let me clean here. There are all buttons here, and if we press a button such as Facebook, such as Twitter, such as Instagram, etc., we will go to our social media accounts. If you press Facebook, we are going to our Facebook account. If we press Twitter, we will go to our Twitter account, etc. Now let's build this part. So I am deleting all of this, as I want to put buttons side by side right here. I am using row widget for that. Row widget is a widget like list view, but we can list the tools side by side, not vertical. We are going to see not vertical list. We are going to see a horizontal list. Our first button is all of button is going to be icon button, but there is something wrong right here. So let's see what is wrong. And yes, I get that the const is wrong here, because we can't use row widget with const variable. So let's do this. Our icon here, our first icon is going to be icons point Facebook. Our first button will be Facebook. So let's type here on pressed, because icon button has on pressed feature as required. So let's see how is it going to be. And you can see our Facebook button right here. If you press, you can see that nothing, because we write nothing here yet. So but I want to edit our Facebook icon right here I want to make it better, its visibility. I want to make its visibility better. So as you know, Facebook has a blue icon, and let's make its size a little bit bigger. So that is better, I guess. This is better, I guess. I want when I press the button here like that, I want to go to my Facebook account. So in fact, if we press this button, we are going to go to a website. So if we want to go to a website, we are using HTML function. So we are using I'm using HTML and point window point open right here. But there is something wrong here, because HTML only works with HTML package. If we want to use this function, we need to import HTML package to our class. So now I am importing HTML package dot double void HTML, and I want to use this package as HTML. And okay, as you can see, error we get here has gone, but this is we have another error right here, because HTML this HTML function wants a URL, and it also wants name. I mean, I want to repeat that we are going to write here an URL, and we are going to write here name. Anything. This can be anything. I'm going to write here the name of the URL. So, as I want to go to my Facebook account, now I'm going my Facebook profile, and let's go to my profile page. This is my profile page, and I am doing copy and paste it right here. Now it is going to work if I press this button. When I press this button, I'm going to go to my Facebook account. Anybody who can press this button is going to go to my Facebook page. So you can see my Facebook page is coming, and if anyone press this button, he or she can see my Facebook profile page. So there are lots of ways. Let's change the name as Facebook. There are lots of ways to run a website from a mobile app. This is the one of the way, and I think this is the easiest way to go to a website. So I like using this function, and after that I'm just going to copy and paste it for other social media accounts like this. And first one is Facebook. Let's do that. Second one is Instagram, but Flutter doesn't have Instagram icon like Facebook. So let's do that with this camera, and let's make the color as purple and hot reload, and you can see the icon of Instagram right here. So then now I am going to change this URL with my Instagram page. This is Instagram, and now I'm going to my Instagram page. This is my Instagram URL. Okay. Let's check what is going to happen. And yes, now you are seeing my Instagram account right now. So Instagram is okay. Let's do Twitter, or before Twitter, let's do TikTok account. As I don't have a TikTok account, I don't want to write anything as URL. This is TikTok. Lots of things like TikTok, I know. And also another popular social media account is Snapchat. So let's try Snapchat. And yes, this one. And make Snapchat yellow. And let's see all of them right now. TikTok, but I know TikTok, the color of TikTok is not blue. I know it is like black and red. So let's do this red. Let's do this red. Let's try, and this is better, I guess. But Snapchat, we can't see Snapchat, so let's make it bigger, and maybe yellow. We can use dark yellow instead of normal yellow, and this is better, I guess. Yes. And okay, let's add here Twitter and LinkedIn, but we don't have Twitter. We don't have a icon for Twitter in Flutter, so I can change icon button to text button. I'm doing some changes right here. Text button wants child, and I'm writing T, just T, and want to copy this one, and yes, this is better. And the color of Twitter is blue, and let's make it bigger and not italic, and let's make the font weight is the darkest. Now check it out, and yes, we can see Twitter right here. As I have a Twitter account, I want to write my link of my Twitter account. So now I am going to my Twitter account, and yes, this is the link of my Twitter account, and I'm pasting it right here. This is Twitter, and this is Snapchat, and this is TikTok. Let's check. If I press this T letter, I must go to my Twitter account, and yes, you are seeing my Twitter account right now. And yes, Ömer Kalfa. I have also LinkedIn account, so I'm writing here just in LinkedIn. The icon of LinkedIn is similar to this letter, this one. So now I'm going to my LinkedIn account. This is my profile page in LinkedIn. So copy and paste it right here. This is LinkedIn. Let's check. And now you are seeing my profile page on LinkedIn. So, but all of these buttons is so close. Maybe I can put some spaces between them, so I can make this one easily with this row widget. The row widget has main axis alignment feature. If I write this one, if I choose this main axis alignment and put here a point, you can see your options. Now I'm choosing this one, and now you are seeing all of them is better. This is better. You can see that all of the buttons have same differences between each other. And okay, social media accounts is okay right now. And at the last, let's add about me part. This is about me, and I want to write here mobile app developer, robotics and coding teacher, etc. And founder of Teen developers project. One of the founder of Teen Developers project. Let's hot reload. You can see what I have written, but maybe I can I can make its visibility better. So this is so big, so maybe I have to change its color to black, and 50 font size is 15, and don't want a bold text, and this is better. So now we have built a profile page. This is a simple profile page, but I guess you get the point. We have information site here, we have social media accounts, we have social media button right here, and we have a big decoration picture, and we have a small circle avatar, and we get the point. That's enough for now.